You want to get better? You want to self-improve? Stop looking for a shortcut and go find your discipline. And find your guts and your passion and your drive.
Now I'ma tell the world, tell them, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them, yeah, I'm a billboard. Yo, you don't know you got MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! Oh, what the damn? Flashing my hair. Today we're gonna be doing a mukbang. Highly requested.
Melica, what mister?
I'm gonna drink out tea.
Why not this now?
It's not me. She put it over here, so we're gonna be doing a KFC mukbang.
So where should you do this job?
Kin, she put it over my pot.
Oh.
So we got Kin get what kind of flavor juice I get, Kin?
Ginger beer mixed with Sprite.
Listen, I need energy on this.
Look how it does the place, guys. It's so hot.
She get ginger beer mixed with tropical
Sprite.
Sprite.
7 Up.
Ginger beer mixed with 7-Up. Me always get get Tropicana mixed with ginger beer. But I know I want to Jamaica. We get these paper straw. I just quick them bend up.
I like them.
Drink some.
Because
Drink something.
I feel like me protect the environment.
You getting it? So I'm going to show you guys what we got, and I really love KFC, and the thing that I love the most at KFC is the barbecue zinger.
Whoa, barbecue. Barbecue.
So me and King get zinger box. In the zinger box you have barbecue, you have a zinger, you can get spicy zinger, barbecue zinger. Me and King gets barbecue zinger. And in the King then I put in the coleslaw.
So
In
guys,
the zinger box you have
a zinger,
a fries.
1 piece of chicken.
Mirati, don't mind this. I hear this original chicken. And a coleslaw.
A little thingy of coleslaw.
We also got Carrie, you like corn? You like corn? You like corn?
You ever eat it before?
We got corn.
You ever eat
like
corn before?
You like corn, Carrie?
Melica, we just said fitness saying you like corn.
Me no say like corn. What do you mean? Boy, people, I'm not telling like Jamaica right now.
Oh,
I wasn't giving anything away.
yeah.
We're burning up like it's so hot. Mommy, see something here.
Chicken leg.
Mommy get wings, we just eat crown. We get wings to mommy. But Jamaica right now,
Mad hot.
mad hot, my nigga.
Yes.
I always want to do
So
this.
hard.
I ordered.
Oh, wings.
Where you get wings?
I buy wings to mommy.
So, why you eat on auntie wings?
You just get Italian one, or
Go get auntie her food.
sure, come for it. You want fries? Fries in that box.
We are going more fight.
Guys, this is the best KFC in the world.
Yeah.
Period.
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 No cap.
I don't know that dance here what people ever do these days, like. Unscrupulous flyer. Guys, this morning I'm gonna go up and get this. Man, see what I'm gonna check people with, because scale when I have at my house, I know saying alright. So, check my weight this morning, and I'm 170. I need to drop 10 pounds.
She's at 160 something because the shoes are down weight.
Well, me put you at 170. Good life.
No, not for me.
The good things them. I mean, I get fat.
I was a tongue queen. Leave that out.
So, oh boy, must have treat me too good. No?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my god.
my father is not skin.
My teeth really hurt me.
I get fat, I'm gonna depend with it.
My wisdom teeth have come out.
Hey, fly, don't make me get his upper. Don't make me get his upper. Alright. It's alright. I'm gonna fix him business. Guys. This bite down. KFC, don't play with me, youth. I love barbecue singer, like seriously.
What's on the chicken you prepare?
Bad to say it, darling. I come like this, I'm not just water. No.
Like them.
You don't like it? You want to put chicken instead? There is the chicken in that box here.
Can't even see them. Can't.
Guys, barbecue singer.
I get my meat is yummy.
Hello, what?
Where's it? Be properly. So. Mesa.
Yo.
On the straight
Never fear, the zapper is here.
Yeah, when daddy come now.
I'm gonna deal with them. I know me can't get one.
I'm trying to look over the iPhone next day.
I'm a baby over there. Do you don't want it, singer? You want KFC?
I'm going to like tomato in a man.
You not take out it?
That man.
A chicken.
Guys,
Do you not like it? So you put it back on this one.
you have to go original chicken.
What? I mean, I see you put the bone.
What's the putty?
Jesus. I'm got a bone you not eat
Oh my
that
god,
good.
put oil.
Pepper.
I'm good enough, sir.
Because it's spicy.
Can you see on that pepper?
That's why if you eat it at barbecue.
Barbecue.
That's spicy for you?
Look, this pepper. Pepper.
I'm just not lighting the one if it's
Guys,
in
we're going to do
your
a story time
But you don't.
about the first time we went to Dubai.
size.
Look like one got cool on his like you know.
Where you want
We
to
got
go?
cool onions.
Cool on him.
Who bring your good onions?
You put
Tywin like corn. So, I'm going to mash it down. I really like chicken with the pepper. Battery, my phone battery is low. Hold this. And the corn attacks. Eat it. Eat it, be.
I'm going to chop rough story time.
Hmm?
More, yeah, story time, you know.
Which store then?
Whatever you think.
Okay, so guys, don't tell one story time when we drink weed tea. So,
One drama.
you know, it's summertime now. Now, when it's summertime,
This was like, how much years ago?
maybe about 15 it happened, so.
Make a wicked, you
Wow.
were in 15.
Okay, guys.
I'm younger than 15.
Hello.
Older than 15.
Older than 15? Well, so guys, I did about 16, yeah. I don't know. I don't remember
That
my
mean
age.
me I did what?
I don't know. And you're a college student. Oh well.
Chantal did I go Alvernia. Chantal did I go Alvernia for real.
Anytime now, cause them come down from town.
You like it, the content?
Cause them come down from town. Summer first summer always lit. We go a river, we cook food in the night, we play water,
Yeah,
I don't seek and I come in some bush and anything. Like we just always hype. I did about maybe 15 a week or so.
I say wicked, oh God.
Remember the people from outer road did come to? About 15 a week.
Very key.
Funny really.
I love this.
Can't eat and talk. Love drink too much. So,
Yes, Kendall?
Where my excuse go?
What is it?
we are rushing so fast, see my drop off. Come, one of some said to you. You alright now? So, one night them we say boom. Because them they got Kingston already, but me never got at the time then drink wheat tea, because all the way at Christian we got church already. So they drink wheat tea and then go to church, but they never so high that time. So when they go to church, then they and them laugh and they feel good and they feel high and they say,
Really?
when they come and mob here, them have thanks that way, thanks. Them have to go do it again. So in the evening, I have some boom and me ready up and thing.
Take a photo for me.
Mommy say, Melica, don't go up the road this evening.
I still go up there.
That time, don't play with me, my nigga. Don't play. I just kill a fly. So, Mommy say, your friend and me learn say, stop playing with me. Mommy say, nobody go up the road this evening. Me force and go up the road. I'm going to go up there.
And they send you?
No, you didn't say me. I'm going to go up there. From the auntie house, them make it thing already and they use sugar and milk for sweetening. When I drink tea at my yard, I don't know how comes to take out me go drink tea at people place. I'm gonna drink tea yo. So when they do their drinking now, you finish? Huh?
You want this?
I do that.
Eat my
This
chicken.
can.
You want this?
Can.
It's maybe pepper.
No,
That's
that's
not
not
pepper.
pepper.
No,
Stop
eat
frying
it.
them cold.
I'm supporting onion.
What?
And
Ooh.
Oh, I can't slice it.
Mommy, I same thing in your box. Where you pop off my chicken for?
Oh, how big?
Girl, where you going me can for?
You know just say no want it.
Just say no want tea.
Give me back there with
This a fee mukbang, no my yard.
It's so stark yourself, bite this up.
No video word.
So,
And this have to go cut out.
remove. What? Eat the chicken in your bag. No fries in
You
there.
want fried?
no, eat up my chicken.
I think
You want coleslaw? You buy something to tell you?
very close by.
Here. I don't want none of coleslaw. I'll get two coleslaw.
Oh, you know what it is.
A 10 piece in there. Minus 1. 9. Anyways, reach up on my cousin them yard well ready up and thing, but don't be drink for them already. So my next cousin I said, man, got drink up with you and come on man, because I get hype and all, you know. So me drink half and I never finish drink finish. So my cousin them come back. Because them you get it? Because them come back and I force me to drink it. I'm take boots in
Peer pressure.
and drink it off.
Guys, don't give into peer pressure.
So when I'm out there now, we're up on the road and we're up on the road and a vibe because the whole of my cousins them hype and sitting. It's like them still want ants a crawl on the ground, I might think a joke, you know. And the whole of them start laugh like they start off with a little chuckle and then them start laugh uncontrollable like over the little ants.
I think I know that good.
Melissa, please, put it back on my back. Okay.
So, when you're on the road and them a Blvd, some of them are rolling along on the ground and thing, but you never take me yet because I take long to drink mine, so it never come in my system yet. So when I'm with cousin, she a Christian. She
Yeah.
get on the road and she...
When I turn
Be a one carrying.
Stop.
Yeah. She get out in the spirit up there, man. Get out in the spirit, yeah.
Oh,
Carry now.
for real?
You get out in the spirit up there.
That first made up at that story.
You get out in the spirit up there.
So you drink it too?
Yeah, she will have a drink here. About 10 hours drinking on her. So I get out in the spirit. She come out of state, the wheaty state. So she
Yeah.
so why am for me and say, so what am for me and say,
Irene, shut up.
carry him, I go beat you.
Like go for your soon.
So what am for me and say, Melica, go down and don't stop on the road because he never take me in. So after I reach down now, I feel this thing a come on for me like, I feel like somebody a watch me, like I literally a go insane. So I never go over my mother yard. I go over my grandmother. Because I know my mother will kill me when they go and find out I'm going to drink with tea and she tells me to go up there. So I go over my grandmother now. I sit down in her house and I say to myself, say, Jesus Christ, I want me feel high like the devil himself. Me say, anytime I lock my eye, the devil when they show up on TV, I am seeing my vision when I lock my eye. So I say, devil, me now make you take over my life and insult me. Now make you win. It's about maybe 10 o'clock. So I'm in a living room at all, loud to myself and cuss off the devil and sitting. My grandmother. Yeah! Me say, mommy go and get some of my chicken, mama. Me make mommy go and get some of my chicken. I come reach and I know. I say, because after the devil come here, I get high, I now feel nothing when I down. Like me just really high. I never feel high before, because I never smoke before, I never get drunk before. So then my grandmother hear me and come out. And I say, what happened to you? I say, I tell her the truth, I go up a road and drink with tea. But I was conscious enough not to tell her who give it to me. Yes. Carry eat off this and I talk with a mouthful. So, wheat tea. So I was conscious enough not to tell her who gave it to me. But in myself, I know who gave me, but I just conscious enough to not tell him who gave me. Anyways, you don't get out of control till my grandmother get afraid. My grandmother will call me mother. Mother say, who gave it to you? I not tell her. And then my mother broke up. My mother love flowers. Love flowers. So you know she go in her garden and broke some of her flowers them and start beat me. You come and tell yourself I go up a road. I go up a road and I get to lick them, but when you're high, you don't really feel to lick them. So she I get to lick them and I not feel it. And I say, Mom, like you broke your beautiful flowers. I like you want to get mad.
I lied. You remember saying that? Or
Remember
somebody
that
tell us
clearly.
to say that?
Remember, Chantal, tell me that. So, my ex-cousin told me Chantal should hear now. When I get to lick, she come in here like a black them because she said, you can't beat her now because you know she said something wrong with her X, Y, and Z. So now, after I get licked now, I run off, go up to my neighbor. My neighbor up there, so call them out because the neighbor them are Christian. Call them out. So look come pray for me, come pray for me. You remember that, mommy? And then after people that want to pray for me now, I stop them for 1 minute. Family tell the people them foot. People them carry me back up. No, when me run go up around the time, my grandfather did that run me
So
down.
after they make a teacher?
So my grandfather did that run me down. When dad catch me and carry me back down, so they give me some sweet sugar and water to get you out of the system. sugar water in our work because the thing mash me up wicked. Grandfather ball and say, granddaughter, look what they do to you.
I don't feel that's a free. Wipe your hand.
Shake up the dance sitting.
Let me drink some.
Anyways, we did get to lick them and go through and go on and go until my job was sleep. Late about 5 o'clock, but next morning I did the one Sunday morning to go to church. So, after I wake up now, I wake up early. Watch out. I wake up early. Ready, I don't have no shoes to go to church. Ready. Oh, you want juice? Oh, what juice that? Juice in there? Wake up early, come here ready, go by my cousin them, because I forgot church too. Reach up to my cousin and my mother and say, King, you alright? King say yes. Punki, you alright? Punki say yes. Karen, you alright? Karen say yes. And when I looking at myself and know that I'm not alright, I break down because I don't feel like myself, I still feel high. Anyways, we left them up there and go straight to church. Pastor when I preach. I don't know what pastor preach about.
You see him, Pastor?
No ceremony, nothing. I reach a church, I just go straight up the altar non-stop. Break down like I say, I only go to the pub that time I will eat the palm and sit, you know. This is about one good 3 days I have hangover. I feel like myself. So, the long and short of the story is, that's how a story, that's how I remember what a story basically. And the long and short of the story is, listen to your mother when your mother said, don't go up on the road and don't take peer pressure. I don't drink tea in my yard. Up to now, I don't drink tea. They ever cause me say, guess I'm going to kill me. I'm a gone on the road going to drink tea. So, that's the end of the story, guys.
Yes.
Your belly full?
No.
You want more corn? Huh?
Let us see the miss.
What? Buy a piece of this.
Don't forget one jar for the church.
Right. I pepper, I don't want it. Eat it, I want piece.
Yes.
Let's say story go. I'm baiting this because
Right up on the hillside. Come touch me then and see your early Anna. I've done a church me again.
Come. So,
Go tell them.
guys, this when I wake up the next morning,
Eh?
my
Put
skin
them.
wheel up and I said to my cousin, say, like,
Put them.
oh, me get them Melica, oh, me get them mascara. And she say, your mother when I beat you. Like, I don't remember nothing because I don't feel. I didn't feel them lick there. And next day I feel them. So, that's how I end my story time, the mukbangers one. KFC bun. I really like KFC chicken like.
Is it gonna nice today?
The chicken good, but I love the thing.
What you do for dinner in the fridge?
Your belly full?
Rather than on the inside.
What's that?
What? You know, for the eat and stretch. Mama would have said stretch a little long.
And that also say just stretch out the food them. Stretch out the food.
And when you pepper, eh? Go make mommy get some water and get some food.
I'm going there.
Go on, mommy, get some
Oh,
water.
I have to go drink mine.
Alright, get some food. Go on and share. Story film. So guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. My edges are grow back a punky cut off. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Definitely show the love. Leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you. Now we in, I believe say, at the table that, but we have an e-pan, your foot there. No, I don't think so. Are your foot there?
No.
Okay. Hi guys. No, we just deal with like myself.
I don't know what the hell you're doing. Honestly speaking.
Hi guys. Say hi guys. Just subscribe. Subscribe, my